Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the harmful effects of white salt. Today, we will uncover the reasons why excessive consumption of white salt can be detrimental to your health and well-being. By the end of this video, you'll understand the importance of choosing healthier alternatives for your diet. White salt, also known as table salt, is a common seasoning made from sodium chloride. While salt is essential for various bodily functions, overconsumption can lead to several health problems. Harmful effects of white salt. High blood pressure. Sodium in white salt can increase blood pressure by retaining more fluid in the body, causing the heart to pump harder. Persistent high blood pressure can lead to heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. Heart disease. Excessive salt intake is linked to the development of cardiovascular diseases. High sodium levels can lead to the thickening of blood vessels, making it harder for blood to flow and increasing the risk of heart attacks. Stroke. High salt consumption is a significant risk factor for strokes. Increased blood pressure and blood vessel damage can lead to stroke, which can have life-threatening consequences. Kidney damage. The kidneys filter excess sodium out of the body, but too much salt can overwork the kidneys. Over time, this can lead to kidney disease and impair kidney function. Osteoporosis. High salt intake can cause calcium loss through urine, weakening bones over time. This increases the risk of developing osteoporosis, a condition where bones become fragile and prone to fractures. Fluid retention and edema. Excessive salt can cause the body to retain water, leading to swelling and puffiness in various parts of the body, known as edema. Stomach cancer. Diets high in salt are associated with an increased risk of stomach cancer. Salt can damage the stomach lining and increase susceptibility to infection by Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium linked to stomach cancer. Dehydration. High salt intake can cause dehydration by drawing water out of cells, leading to symptoms like thirst, dry mouth, and fatigue. Healthier alternatives to white salt. Himalayan pink salt contains trace minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Less processed and may have a more balanced flavor. Sea salt. Harvested from evaporated seawater and contains some minerals. Less processed than table salt, though sodium content is similar. Herb and spice blends. Use herbs and spices to flavor food instead of salt. Options like garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper can enhance taste without added sodium. Potassium salt. A salt substitute containing potassium chloride instead of sodium chloride. Can help lower blood pressure but should be used with caution in individuals with kidney problems. Tips for reducing salt intake. Read labels. Be mindful of sodium content in processed foods. Look for low sodium or no salt added options. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home allows you to control the amount of salt used. Use fresh ingredients and natural flavors. Gradual reduction. Gradually reduce the amount of salt you use in cooking and at the table. Your taste buds will adjust over time. Healthy snacks. Choose snacks like fresh fruits, vegetables, unsalted nuts, and yogurt instead of salty processed snacks. Limit processed foods. Processed and packaged foods often contain high levels of sodium. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Conclusion. White salt, while essential in small amounts, can have serious negative impacts on your health if consumed in excess. From high blood pressure and heart disease to kidney damage and osteoporosis, the harmful effects of white salt are far-reaching. By understanding these risks and making healthier dietary choices, you can improve your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the truth about white salt. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and encouraged you to make healthier choices. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.